Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Maurice Kibor, and today we're going to talk about Oneforma and the certifications you need to do. You need to start off with when you create your Oneforma account. And I will please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe, and it will really support me a lot. So let's get into it. For Oneforma, this is a new account that I made 2 days ago, and it has been approved. So I will show you the certifications you need to do. What are certifications? Certifications mean are more basically like exams. So like for example, personally I can say I I I know English. So but how can one former really prove that you understand English or any other language? Let's say perhaps Spanish, Germany or something. They give you exams. They give you exams that will rate how good you are, and they have pass marks. Pass marks are like you need to get a certain percentage of the exam. Like you're given 10 questions and you need to get like 6 questions correct. So basically certifications are like a proving factor to show that do you remember when you're creating your Oneforma account, you said they gave you a list of not more than 3 languages that you understand. For me, I picked English, and for Oneforma to really prove that I know English, they have to give me tests, and these tests help Oneforma to rate me. These tests help Oneforma to give you jobs. So basically, they will give you jobs pertaining English language that you have passed when you have passed these certifications. So basically, it's important for you to be approved by Oneforma. Being approved means when this uhrs to come to your top right hand corner. Perhaps let's say like this one, you can see here I have uhrs. So basically you have to do certifications for you to be given jobs. So when you do certifications within a period of, let's say, perhaps it depends with the country, 1 week you will be approved, and when you are approved you will get jobs. So certifications are an important part of your work. So personally, I can help you. I will show you the certifications which I have done, and they're important to you. So let's click. You can, when you have your browser, you click at the 3 dots at the top and you click certifications, and it will bring you to a page like this. Certifications get you certified for your skills. Yes, they basically prove that what you say is correct. So some people can do transcription, some people can do rating, some people can do other stuffs. For me personally, I don't have I didn't go to school and did ICT, but I did engineering, so I'm good in math and something. So basically, I will do certifications regarding my skills and things that I can do. So I will basically show you the best certifications to do for you to be approved. So you come and click. You see here tabs: available, pending, failed, completed, and all. So you see available certifications are this. So you can do all these certifications, and when you do certifications, they mean you get more jobs. So you can see here Isaac Molingo, Czech project, Brazilian, and German, English, UK. So there is Project Jarvis, if you've heard of it. So it depends with the language you use. So for this one, is Jarvis for Denmark, this one for US. So basically, it's exams for your own specific language. So when you click pending, it will show you which it's like suggestions. UHRS in Oneforma is giving suggestions for you to do. Next one is failed. I did not fail any certifications. So basically it will let's click completed. Yeah, you can see I have did some certifications here. Welcome to Oneforma. So basically, please do welcome Oneforma. Welcome Oneforma. It will it's the first certifications that you need to do. So basically, I will put in a link to my number, and please DM me. I can do the test for you, and let's get work. Next one is English reading comprehension. It's very important. Another one is English UK language test, is very important. And the copy introduction certification is very important. And English comprehension test standard. So all these certifications, there is a pass mark. Pass mark meaning you must get a certain percentage or you will fail. So the pass mark for these tests are 70%. So for everyone, welcome Oneforma, you must get above 70%. You see I got 93. English reading comprehension, I got 91. English UK languages, I got 77. At the copy introduction certification, I got 90. English comprehension standard, I got 87. So basically, for me, these tests I have already done, and I can comprehend the answers. So if you have any challenge to do them, and if you failed, please DM me, and I will do it for you free. I will not ask anything. So I think that's the most important. Also, please don't forget to subscribe. So basically, that's it. So these are the certifications that you need to do for you to be approved by Oneforma. Don't forget, please, to subscribe to my channel, and click the like button, and please share. If you have any issues that you want me to dwell into, I will happily do. Thank you for your time.